So we are here in Bear Mountain, a car show with Jack. Jack is going to walk us through his very original one owner, well, no, not original, but one owner 68 Camaro. Jack, tell us about your car.
All right. Originally bought it in 67, 68 with LL Tompkins and Pauling. Had a stick 6 in it. This is the original interior still in it. I've upspeed from a 3-speed to a 4-speed. The sun tax, got the tachometer up on the top.
Yeah, oh yeah.
So you see it when you're driving, no problem there. Pull the 6-cylinder out.
No more 6-cylinder,
No
huh?
more 6-cylinder. You can see it's a driver. 327, 275 horse when I put it in. With 350 cam in it. And I rebuilt it in 76 and haven't touched it since then.
Rebuilt in 76.
76.
And still driving it,
Put a
the
set of
original
plugs in.
owner.
Works like that.
Nobody else has ever had their hands on her.
The paint was redone in 1983 and 84.
What's the color?
Corvette bronze.
Corvette bronze. Is that a stock color?
That's a stock color, 70, the letter OO on it.
And they called it Corvette bronze?
Bronze, yeah.
Wow. Look at that. So original. Well, again, I'm not saying original owner, I have to say. It's not original.
Got the 411s, 12-bolt posi I put in. And couldn't go anywheres. I wanted to go to Lake George. So I bought a Gear Vendors Overdrive. Put that unit on the back of the rock crusher. And push the button on the shifter. Goes from 411s to 323s. And then you can drive.
Yeah, absolutely.
But the thing is, the hardest part was, it cost me as much as a car did brand new. But it was well worth it.
Yeah, because now you can enjoy it and go places.
Driver, I live on a dirt road, can't keep it clean.
Jack, it's been a pleasure meeting you. I hope to see you up at the Tuesday night meets with us.
Good.
And anything else you want to say?
Well, maybe I'll see you up in Lake George too.
Yeah, too, absolutely.
Great shoes up
Thanks
there.
again. It was great meeting you.
Thank you.